wanted to inform you about our upcoming video series regarding functional medicine. For those of you who do not know what functional medicine is, we will try to inform you, get you knowledgeable as to what it involves and what type of patients are typical, fall under that category, and how we might be able to help you. So, a little bit about how I got started in functional medicine is it was quite a while ago, back in the 90s. I was doing fasting, learning how to do fasting. And Dick Gregory actually helped me, inspired me to get started with fasting. As you know, he did several runs, cross-country runs, while he was fasting, juicing. So it intrigued me as to how he was able to do that. And I started doing fasting, 1-2 days. Started with fruit juices. But I finally moved on to the lemonade diet. And I did that, 5, 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, 30 days, and I did up to 40 days, actually. And I had so much energy. I was very, very energetic. I started running 6 miles a day at the same time I was fasting. So that was my start with nutrition and healing the body through natural means, as an offshoot from chiropractic, obviously. So as the years went by, I used the lemonade diet for a lot of different patients, weight loss and energy and stomach problems, things like that. And then a colleague of mine introduced me to functional medicine, and tremendous advantages and benefits that it afforded patients, even patients who had diabetes, were able to reverse their diabetic condition. I was just absolutely amazed with this. And so I investigated it more and more and more. And I mentored with another chiropractic group and a team of chiropractors, actually. And we seminars and workshops, this, that, and the other thing, and learned how to institute a functional medicine practice. So we started off with working with diabetic patients, and we found out we had tremendous results. Everybody got better to some degree. We even had patients had totally reversed their condition and didn't take the medication anymore. And there's various degrees of success. So, as an offshoot from diabetes, functional medicine also applies to patients with a variety of other conditions. For example, autoimmune problems, digestive issues, thyroid, detoxing, weight loss, acne, sensitivities. So we've been working with this now 5 years, over 5 years now, and so we're just trying to get the word out to help more and more people as we integrate the nutrition into chiropractic and physical therapy here at Concord Wellness Institute. So look out for our video series. Next maybe 1 or 2 videos per week in the month of March, so that you can get informed on how you can improve your health through the natural means, chiropractic, physical therapy, and functional medicine. So you'll hear that term, functional medicine, and hopefully it'll have a stronger meaning for you, and maybe it'll apply to you too. So we'll see you soon.